Yeah, as far as I remember, I asked someone because I accidentally spoke after I took a bite, and this rabbi, because it was just in person. He said, I think that there's enough poskim who say that once you actually took the food into your mouth, but even did swallow, you don't make another bracha. Is this true or no?
I mean, if he spoke right after he put the food in his mouth and he starts speaking, so he does not say the second bracha. That's what you're saying?
No. I'm saying that he didn't swallow yet.
Okay, yeah. Before swallowing, he starts speaking with somebody, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so in this case, but we say, I mean, it's not proper, but he does not say another bracha.
Understood. Okay.